Introducing the Boat Xtend Smartwatch. It is available in variant colors. It has a round dial with the big square color LCD. Battery. It offers 7 days of battery life, which depends on the usage. It helps to track the heart rate 24/7 automatically and the blood oxygen levels. It also features guided meditative breathing. The daily activity tracker records the daily steps taken, total calories burned and distance covered. It has multiple watch face up to 50 with customizable option to match the OOTD. It stays updated with the notification of the calls and messages.